The starter motor plays a crucial role in starting a car's engine. When the starter is faulty, several symptoms can indicate the problem. Here are some common symptoms of a bad starter. Engine not cranking or starting. When you turn the ignition key or press the start button, if you only hear a clicking sound or nothing happens at all, it could indicate a bad starter. Grinding noise. If you hear a grinding noise when trying to start the engine, it may suggest that the starter gear is not properly engaging with the engine's flywheel. Freewheeling. Freewheeling occurs when you turn the ignition, but the engine doesn't crank, and you hear a spinning or whining sound. This can be a sign of a worn-out starter drive gear or a faulty solenoid. Intermittent starting issues. If you experience sporadic starting problems where the car starts fine sometimes and struggles or fails to start at other times, it could indicate a failing starter. To diagnose a faulty starter, you can follow these steps. Check the battery. Ensure the battery is fully charged and in good condition. Weak or dead batteries can mimic starter problems. Inspect the connections. Examine the battery terminals and starter connections for corrosion, loose connections, or damaged wiring. Clean or tighten them if necessary. Listen for sounds. When you turn the ignition, listen for any clicking, grinding, or whining noises. These sounds can provide clues about the condition of the starter. Test the voltage. Use a multimeter to measure the voltage at the starter terminals while attempting to start the engine. If you observe a significant voltage drop, below 9.6 volts, it may indicate a bad starter. Check the solenoid. The solenoid is a component connected to the starter that helps initiate the cranking process. If you suspect a faulty solenoid, you can perform a bench test or seek assistance from a professional mechanic. It's important to note that diagnosing and repairing a starter can be challenging and may require expertise. If you're unsure or uncomfortable with the process, it's recommended to consult a qualified mechanic for an accurate diagnosis and repair.